Welcome back to the Revenant Jeep channel. We're back out here working on the Jeep again. We're not in the shop, but I'm going to start off by saying sorry for not being in the shop, and then I apologize for all the wind noise that it might pick up. But I decided to do an installation out here in the property so you guys can see that the Jeep is actually going off-roading and not just in the shop. It's not a mall crawler, but it's out here, you know, in the rough roads, and you know, I'm taking it out here. You guys can probably see it. It's super dirty right now, all that dust. But check it out, guys. There's another package. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys what I got, and check it out. What's missing? There's a lot of stuff that are missing here, but one in particular in this Jeep is missing right now. So this video is going to be about this particular product that's missing on this Jeep. So check it out, take a guess, and stay tuned, guys. We're going to see what's inside this box and what are we going to be installing in this Jeep. All right, so I'm going to show you around real quick where we're at. This is where I live. This is the area. Man, it's a beautiful spot right now. It's super hot out here in Southern California, but under this beautiful oak tree, it's nice and cool, and we got a lot of wind. You guys can see the tree moving, so we're out here staying fresh, and we're gonna be able to work on the Jeep and not be overheated inside of the shop. So this spot in particular, I want to zoom in real quick before we start installing. This spot right here, it's a very dangerous area. One of my friends actually fell from this portion right here, and if you're watching my video, you know who you are. Sorry I had to put you on blast, but remember falling from here all the way down here. So it's a pretty nice steep fall. So sorry I'm putting you on blast, but I just want to show the audience it's a very beautiful place at the end of the day. But let's get this installation going. You guys know the drill. Pick up the knife and let's open it. We're not take too long. Let's open it real quick. But it's always great when you get Amazon orders. They come in and yeah, you get the parts. So just take a quick look at the Jeep. There's something missing here. You guys can see I took off my doors, and driving, this is something, well, at least essential on the streets. But off-road you don't really need them, but on the streets you definitely need them. So what is it? Well, I'm gonna show you guys real quick. You guys ready? Check it out. Boom, right there. Here we go. You guys can tell I don't have any side mirrors, so when I'm driving, well, I have to turn my head all the way around just to see if there's a car on the side. So it can get a little bit dangerous when you're on the streets. Not too dangerous, but a little bit dangerous. You know, if someone's driving, and then I can't really see with the big tire carrier in the back. But so that's what we're gonna be installing, some side mirrors on the side, and let's take a look. So these are a decent product from Amazon. These are mic tuning 8.5 shake proof rectangular mirrors for a YJ, CJ, TJ, and it goes up to the JK. So if you're looking for something, you took off your doors just for the summer and you want to install some mirrors on the side to keep it legal. I don't know if it's illegal, but just to make sure. These are a decent price. I got these for about I say like $40, I believe, if I remember right. But I'm gonna try to leave the description down below if you're interested, or if you have more questions about it, comment down below and I can give you more information about this product that I purchased. But we're gonna test these out. I saw a few comments. A lot of people were saying that they're not that great, that they shake too much. But you know what? I do have my regular mirrors that I'll use when I put my doors back on when it becomes winter out here in California. But for now, you know, this will be fine. I don't need like expensive $60 mirrors. These will be sufficient for the moment. So I'm gonna install these. So like I said, if you have questions below, comment down below and I'll help you guys out with them. And I'll try to leave the description down below so you can look it up and take a look on Amazon. Check it out for yourself. So within this package, you're gonna get all the brackets that you need, one for each side, and then of course the instructions. You get the little washers, and then of course you get the rectangular mirrors for each side of the Jeep. So pretty good package. Oh, the hardware's somewhere right here, but basically it's all the hardware's right here. So this is everything that you need to install. So pretty good package deal for mic tuning. We're gonna install these real quick and bring you guys along and see how it looks. Alright, so this is a very simple installation. So you're going to start off with this one bracket, the top portion. You're going to slide this one through, and then since it's very close to the body of the Jeep, you're going to put this one underneath as well, so you won't have problems when you slip it in. You guys can see there, try to get out of the way. There we go. That's basically it. And then you go with the washer underneath. And, wish I had someone help me out, but because I'm alone out here. You just put the washer and then you put the nut underneath. So I'm gonna need a wrench to tighten that socket. So let's put the mirror. Okay, so it's pretty nice. Check it out, guys. Looks pretty cool. I like it. All right, so just unscrew it as well. The screw in the back, you guys can see right there, and that's adjustable. But you can adjust that once you got it installed. So you guys can see right there. Let's go. Okay. And, my hands are a little bit weird right now. They don't want to get this going right, but hey, come on. Why am I struggling? All right, there we go. And then you just basically just tighten it up. Well, I'm gonna fight with this for a little bit, but you guys get the point, right? There we go. There we go. I wish it was all blacked out. There's a little bit of silver or whatever you want to call the color, but that'll be fine. So it's left like that. You can adjust it the way you want. Right now I can hop on the Jeep and just adjust it the way I want. But let's take a look at it. Looks pretty cool. If I want to adjust it a little bit right there, pretty cool. I like the shape of this, nice and square. I don't have my shop tools out here, but I do carry this little toolbox right here. So this ammo can or whatever you want to call it, but this is where I keep all my tools. It looks pretty small, but it carries a lot of stuff. So it's always important to carry tools when you're off-roading, when you might need something. So you never know. You can always expect the unexpected. So this is where I got all my tools. I'm gonna take out some tools and just tighten that side mirror and get that going. After messing around with all my tools, figuring out which one I was gonna use, the only thing you're gonna need is 2 wrenches, all right? So 2 different sizes. I used a 9/16 for the top bolt right here to screw on the mirror, and then a 17 millimeter for the bottom 2 nuts right here, as you guys can see down here. And that's it. That's all you're gonna need. The only problem with sockets for this bottom one is that, well, it's too close to the body, so you're not gonna be able to slide it through. So you're gonna have to use a wrench. So that's easy. And then the top one, you just tighten it as well. And it's simple installation. It took me like 20 seconds or less, maybe like 10 seconds. Got it all together and it's ready to go. All I have to do is adjust it. So let's take a quick closer look at this mirror. So there you have it right there. Quick installation of the side mirrors on my Jeep, and it looks cool. I like it. Like I said, there's some things that are negative already, I can tell, but whatever. For some budget mirrors, these are fine. Like I said, I already have my good ones on my Jeep doors, so these will look good for the summer and they'll be useful. So there you guys have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. If you guys are considering getting some, comment down below. Get these budget ones, whatever, you know, for the meanwhile. So thanks for joining in and seeing this quick installation. Hope you guys liked it. Like I said, there's more videos dropping. I'm getting more stuff for the Jeep. I'm gonna be working on more vehicles, stuff like that, more tools coming in. So thank you guys for joining my channel again, and hope you guys liked it. Comment down below and we'll see you on the next one. All right, later guys.